My turn. I want to make something foul. Strawberry, mint, chunky. Chunky has to be brown. We're gonna put chocolate on it, and then strawberry, and then blue, and then purple, and then blue, and then white. I'm gonna put toenails, pomegranate, peanuts, beach glass, sprinkles, chocolate chips, garlic, cherry, cookie, wafer, cone, cookie. What is this? Yeah, cookie, banana, and another cherry. Uh-oh, she's cute. She liked it better than anybody liked the other ones. What can I say? I'm a freaking chef. That's why I'm the boss. That's why I'm your boss, baby. Are you trying to kill someone by chance? No. I'm making happy customers. None of these ingredients are in the Bible. Yeah, are you well versed on it, Tony Bones?